All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're actually gonna do a walk around these grandstands so you can actually see that on top of the map that we created out here. And so this is just really nice because what it does is it gives you kind of a supplemental view of on the ground of what it actually looked like here. This is really helpful because what it's going to do is it's going to give you the ability to really get that ground view in any different direction. So again, you can see the back sides of this, you can see underneath that you're not typically going to be able to see from the air. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a walk all the way around this really grandstands as they get built out. And then when we get up on the grandstands themselves, we're going to take individual panos inside of those grandstands just to supplement some of the progress that's being done there. And so really how this works is very simple. What you can see here on my phone is actually I'm following around and walking this with a 360 camera, and it actually communicates to the phone over Wi-Fi. And so once this is connected, what we do here is we just tell it where we start, tell it where we end, and then it will go and process that up within the DroneDeploy platform to then show us what a ground walk looks like on top of this aerial map that was done. So those two in conjunction with each other is really helpful because again, it gives you just that aerial perspective and then that ground perspective as you walk around with this 360 camera. So we'll finish up walking around here and then we'll go up into the actual stands as well and take those individual panos up there. All right, so now that we're up on the grandstands, we're actually gonna just do an individual pano of these spots. So I'm probably gonna take 2 individual panos right here and then move over to there to take another couple panos. But very simple, it's just another capture method up here. And so what you can see here is I'm actually going to select the panorama option. And when I click on that, it's going to connect to my phone and then give me the ability to continue to kind of move through this space and to stop and take a picture. So let's go ahead and stop and take a picture here. You're gonna hear the click, and then it's gonna pull up that pano that it took on that plan as well. So I'll take a couple here on this side, and then I'll go over to that other grandstand to kind of document that one as well. You can see they actually have quite a bit of the build out going. It's amazing how fast this goes and just how helpful it is to get all this documented really as they go. I mean, you come out here really in a day and you can see how much some of this stuff changes here. And you can see from my screen what this looks like. Again, I'm kind of moving the cursor to where I'm standing, and you can see where I'm at on that map itself. That map was created from the drone to give you kind of that context. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a pano here. And then lastly, I'm gonna move over to this spot and take a panorama here. And then when I get to this spot, what I wanna show you is you can actually look at that panorama in the app itself. So you can kind of look at that to make sure that your capture looks really good. And then once that's done, it's gonna show you a preview of what that looks like. And then I can click and move around to make sure that that's what I wanted to capture. There's the beautiful green there. And we can zoom in to make sure that it captured everything that we needed. Again, really helpful for the Procore team, the golf team, to really see and kind of keep all the stakeholders engaged and involved of how quick some of this stuff happens. And it's been really cool to kind of see and document this as it goes, because again, we've been kind of monitoring this as we've seen some of the build out go. And so it's just gonna be really cool to kind of see that in person now that we're actually out here to be able to capture it and kind of give that team access to that information as they continue to build out.
Stay tuned, we'll catch you on the next one.